next drink I'm going to make is called the Golden Hour. It contains this black tea infused gin, and I like to use this tea called Breakfast in Paris because it has flavors of bergamot, the black tea, vanilla, a little bit of lavender, and I just think it's perfect for this cocktail. It only takes about 10 minutes to infuse the gin, so it's super easy to do at home. I use 1.5 ounces of the gin. And then this is an Italian Aperitif wine, and it's a fortified, little bit sweet wine. You can also use Lillet. I use half ounce of lemon, half ounce of simple syrup. And I like to do a richer simple syrup rather than 50-50. I do, I don't know, like a cup sugar to a half cup of water. That's a pretty rich simple syrup. And then a couple dashes of lavender bitters. Garnish it with a little lavender sprig.